This is cream cheese shrimp dip. It's a half cup of boiled peeled divine chopped shrimp, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, fresh or container, a half a cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of chopped green onions, a pinch of foretaste of Old Bay seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of minced garlic or garlic powder. Soften the cream cheese. Add the lemon juice as you soften in the cream cheese. Stir in the chopped shrimp, the green onions, the garlic, the Old Bay seasoning. Stir in the mayonnaise, the Worcestershire sauce, and a hot sauce.
Okay.
Mix well. Refrigerator overnight or 2 to 3 hours before serving. Serve with tortilla chips, crackers, pretzels. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. Slap that subscribe button if you want to see my things and stuff and things.